We'd like to introduce the Galaxy S3, our new smartphone, designed for humans and inspired by nature. Let's start with design. Samsung Galaxy S3 mimics the beauty of nature and recreates the natural curves of leaves and pebbles. Also, despite its large 4.8-inch screen, it manages to fit perfectly in your hands. The Galaxy S3 will come in two colors, marble white and pebble blue. Each color makes a unique natural statement of its own. Even the user interface is inspired by nature. Samsung's own TouchWiz interface has been upgraded and infused with nature and human emotion. Take a look at this lock screen. When you touch the screen, you can see the water ripple and hear the sound of real water drop. The alarms and ringtones are filled with soothing sounds of nature too. Now, let's talk a little bit about hardware. As you can see, the screens are very quick to switch. Compared to the Galaxy S2, booting time is much shorter, applications are launched quicker, and web browsing is also faster. Let us introduce the unique pop-up play feature. If you get a text message while you're watching a movie, simply use pop-up play. You can move the screen around, and you can send messages without having to stop the movie. To go back to the video player, you just give the screen a light tap. Great, isn't it? The Galaxy S3 has a high-performance camera. You can instantly capture and share your special moments. It shoots images without any shutter lag. The burst shot feature lets you take up to 20 photos consecutively. And the best photo feature automatically recommends the best among 8 different shots. The next feature is direct call. When you view a text message and you want to call the person right away, just bring the phone up to your ear. The Galaxy S3 will automatically make a call for you. To share the photos with other Galaxy S3 devices, you can use the S-Beam feature. S-Beam allows you to send video, music, and images in any size. To use S-Beam, simply touch the back of 2 Galaxy S3 phones together, and the files are immediately shared. Isn't that wonderful? Again, the Samsung Galaxy S3 is a smartphone, effortlessly smart and intuitively simple. Enjoy the maximum benefits of the latest smartphone features with the Galaxy S3.